Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys me and baby Wynter's night routine. So if you want to know, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so today I decided to go to the grocery store. I didn't get much, I just got a little bit of stuff, mainly things for dinner tonight. Tonight I decided to make some spaghetti. We're not red meat eaters, no pork eaters, pretty much just chicken, turkey, and salmon, which I'm actually trying to cut out. So I'm just going to be putting all of that stuff away. Oh yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Typically around this time I'll make a smoothie. I haven't eaten all day today, mom life. So when I don't eat, I make smoothies. They're filling, and yeah, I got stuff to do, so I just need to make something real quick. And that's what you guys are going to see me doing here. I love more bananas because they're so sweet. I don't need to put that much honey in it. These little packets, I forgot what fruit it was, but it's the fruit, I think it's dragon fruit, and I stole it from my mom. So yeah. If you guys want to know where I got that blender from, I'm actually going to leave a link down below. It's so cool and it's so cute, and it was only $50 off Amazon. Yes. Here I'm just going to start on dinner. Like I said, I'm making spaghetti. I hand chop all of my vegetables. I should get a chopper, but it really doesn't bother me. I don't know. I like hand chopping my food. It just feels better. So there's your garlic, your onion. I love the smell of white onion. And then my bell peppers. Everything for my spaghetti. And I'm using turkey meat, you guys. So I'm just gonna put this on. Typically around this time, Wynter is actually taking a nap, so it's convenient for me to start eating something small and then to start on dinner before she wakes up. And here she is. She literally just woke up. She's like, what's going on? Look how she's looking at me, y'all. She makes the craziest faces, but I love her so much. She's such a happy baby. Usually when she wakes up and I'm cooking, I'll play with her, and then I will find a cartoon for her to watch on Netflix. Today we're watching, I believe it's called A Square Pumpkin. It's a new cartoon on Netflix. She loves it, so hey, I like it too. This is toddler life, you guys. Like, it's like she's crying, but then she's not. Like, I don't know what's going on with her, okay? Wynter has all year round allergies, so I kind of have to wipe her nose more than most, and we're transitioning into fall, so it's just a mess. I already had her lunch/snack made. It's going to be turkey hot dogs and grapes, which she loves. Everything's cooking on low right now, so while that's doing that, I'm actually going to catch up on some work, reply to some emails, edit some videos, and there's Wynter. She loves coming on by me and pecking on my computer. Hey! Hey! Look at your nose! Then I'm just going to run her a bath. Sometimes it's eat then bath, or in this case, it's bath then eat. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. It depends on the day, I guess. Since baby Wynter does have sensitive skin, I'm going to be using the Dove sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, her dad has sensitive skin, so it's only right. And just like that, dinner is done. I decided to fry some tilapia. I don't like mixing my spaghetti with the sauce. I don't know, I'm weird like that. I've always been like that. I don't know. And while we're eating, I'm just gonna watch Working Moms, which is like one of my favorite shows. I don't know. That's it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.